Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Spotify in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do that? Just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Spotify download. Click on that and then you're going to find out Windows download option over here. If you click on this, click on download option over here. And then you're going to come over into this page, and here you're going to find out download directly from Spotify. Also, there is another option to download from Microsoft Store. If you like to do that, you can simply click on it, but I'm going to go for download directly from Spotify. And now you get it, the download option. Click on that. The download is completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click run. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. And now as you can see, your download and install is completed. Now you can simply see Spotify is rightly opened in your Windows in a very simple way. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Spotify in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.